Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be writing our Pascal program using the Delphi Pascal software. We'll be displaying on the screen, writing on the screen. Welcome to my first lesson on how to write a Pascal program. And we'll also be showing you how to write comments in your program. So we're showing you the block comment and the line comment. So what I have done, I've opened my Dev Pascal software. So I'm going to go to File and I'm going to close the existing files which were opened when I opened the Dev Pascal software. So we are going to, I went to File, New Source File, and what I'm going to do now, I'm going to maximize the screen so that I can see the area where I'm going to type the code. So I've deleted the lines which were opened when I went to new source file. I'm now going to start my program, but first I'm going to show you how to write block comments. So to start the block comment, I write type a open curly brace and asterisk. Then I'm going to show you how you're going to type your information for your CSEC IT Information Technology SB. So we're going to start off with name, and I'm just going to write for today's video CAD with Mr. Hugh as a name. Okay. Then I'm going to write the school, and I'm going to pretend that there's a school called CAD with Mr. Hugh College. Then the next thing I'm going to type is candidate number. Then the next thing I'm going to type in my block comment is the center number. And also the description. So for today's video, I'm just going to give it a simple description. So I'm going to say my Pascal program for my information technology class. And then I'm going to write the date. And for today's date, I'm going to type. For today's date, I'm going to type March 14, 2025. Then I'm going to type version, and I'm going to name my version 2.20. Then to close the block comments, I'm going to type asterisk on the keyboard, close curly braces, and I'm going to actually start the program now. So I'm going to type the word program using my keyboard. Now, Dev Pascal is not case sensitive, meaning that if I wrote the word program in common letters, it would make a difference. All right. So readability, I'm gonna type the word program in capital letters. So I'm gonna give the name of my program a name, and this name does not have to be the same name as the file name that you save the file as. Okay. So I'm gonna call it my first Pascal code. Now, when you're typing the program name, it cannot have any spaces in it, right? So if you have four words, either put them together, join them together as shown, or you put an underscore between the four words. I'm gonna press enter, then I'm gonna type begin to start the Pascal program. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how to type a line comment. So there are two ways to type a line comment. I'm going to show you the first way. The first way, you're going to type open curly brace, then we're going to type the comments um, between the first open curly brace and the closing curly brace. All right, so I'm going to type the main program starts here, and then the curly brace that I just typed a while ago would close it, right? So this is a line comment, right? Then the next thing I'm going to type now, I'm going to type right ln, open bracket, single quote, welcome to my first lesson on how to write a Pascal program using Dev Pascal. I made a previous video showing you how to download Dev Pascal, so perhaps you could visit that video if you haven't downloaded the Dev Pascal software on your computers yet. Close bracket, semicolon. Now I'm going to show you another way that you can type your line comment in your Pascal program. So here now, right here, I'm going to type forward slash forward slash two forward slashes, and then I'm going to type the comment. So this is a comment. This displays the this displays my sentence on the computer monitor. All right, so this is how you would another way in which you could type a line comment. So there are two ways. This is using the curly braces and the two forward slashes. All right. And this, as I said before, this is a block comment, right? And it starts with a open curly brace and a asterisk, and you close it by typing an asterisk and a closing curly brace. All right, so we're going to type read line ln semicolon, then I'm going to end the program. So I'm going to type end full stop, and I'm going to also type another line comment. So I'm going to type on my using my keyboard open curly brace, and I'm going to type this is the end of the main program. Close curly braces. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how to compile the program. So the first thing you need to do is save it, right? So when you click the compile icon, which is a check mark, is going to ask you to save it if you didn't save it before. Okay, so I'm going to save this Pascal program as my first Pascal program with comments. Gonna click save. Then I'm going to compile a program. To compile a program, I'm going to click this green check mark. See, it says compile project. And here the compilation was completed. It was successful. I see zero total errors. So now I can either execute the program by clicking this icon or clicking this icon beside the green check mark. So I'm going to click this icon and there it says, it's on the console. Welcome to my first lesson on how to write a Pascal program using Dev Pascal. All right. So we can run it again and there it is. All right. So the program is working correctly and it is displaying the words or the sentence, welcome to my first lesson on how to write programming using Dev Pascal. All right. So comments are non-executable statements, right, that you would write in your um, Pascal program. So this is a block comment. This is a line comment. This is another line comment, right? And we use the 2 forward slashes to type the line comment using that method. So this is our program, and it allows us to display our output on the monitor, right? In the next video, we'll be looking at how to make a PowerPoint presentation. So we're looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share.